In this video I will show you how you can style your application using CSS to make some coloring, changing the font, making a style for this application. You can see here we created the master detail application. You can create your own application, it's no issue for anyone. You can make changes in your application, you can make pages, it depends on you. So here as you can see in the buttons JSF, we took 4 buttons in the and we took the country table. So the output here before it was different. Now what I did, in the web.inf folder there is a file Trinidad config.xml. So here skin family, if you give alta, the result is like this if you run the page. If I change it, it's more readable. See here, it's more readable. If you want the color and font change, you can change it to Sky Ross. Save it and undeploy the previous application and run the page again to make the changes. Where is run? Yeah, you need to go to the, this is the train.config.xml file. You need to go to the JSF page always to run the application. Now run and see. This is the previous what we run our pages. So this is the output when you give the Sky Ross this name. If I want to change, the name of this skin family, like I want to give it to Fusion FX, you need to remember the name of this family. Fusion FX is there and Alta is there and Sky Ross. If you go to Google and see, you can find many other skin family. Here save, undeploy the previous application, and now go to the button.jsf, run this page. You can see some changes in the screen. Screen color is changed, and here the buttons and the labels as well as input text is changed here. So this is nothing but use of skins and CSS in ADF application. Now the next thing I want to show you is, when we go to the view object, model.vo, click new view object. Here there are 4 types of view object. Which one you want to create in your application, it depends on you. Entity based view object, custom SQL query view object, programmatic view object, static view list view object. So here it depends upon if you want to create the LOVs and all. I will explain you. Here Types of view object, entity based view object, the first one, this one. So it is based on entity object. I can able to do the DML operations. Next one is custom SQL query. If you select that, it is basically read only mode. Query need to be constructed. We need to write the query in this. And the third one is, if you select this, programmatic, it is basically we can able to get data from Java code, because it is programmatic view object. Data will be generated in runtime, generally useful in list of values, not getting data from the tables. We have to add our data from our side. So next, static list. If you click on this, static view object is nothing but static values or fixed values. For example, gender, we are giving male and female, yes or no options. So not going data from the tables for this static view object. We can able to define column values while creating the view object. Generally useful in LOVs, design time view object. So I will explain you in my coming videos how to create the LOVs and how we are using the programmatic view object and custom SQL query view object and entity view object in detail. Now I want to clear one more thing here. In the page definition, as I show you, whenever you are taking the table, where is the structure? For example, buttons.jsf. Yeah, here there is a country table and we took the 4 buttons. Here it is appearing in the page definition. Suppose sometimes it will delete by default. So what you have to do is go to the let's see, commit and rollback. It will commit and rollback is here, but here it is not there in the panel group. You can drag it like this and ADF button, rollback, ADF button. So here it is already there. If this is deleted by mistake or it is not present in the binding, what you have to do, go to the plus button and here action, click OK. In the application module data control, it is showing there are 2 view objects in our application, countries view and location view, and here operations, this commit and rollback is common to the number of view objects, how many view objects you had. So here commit and rollback, what you have to do, select the operation and click OK, it will come here. Now already commit and rollback is there. Suppose if you want the delete operation is also there, first, last, previous, next, delete, create, insert. Here delete is not there. So suppose you want to go to the particular, if you are deleting, for example, delete, if you are deleting from this side, are you sure you want to proceed? Yes. Now if you want to create delete operation, go to action, OK. Here which view object you want, go to the countries view or location view. Here operations, delete, select the delete operation. See here, it is delete operation to the country view iterator, it is connected. And here in the buttons page, let's see, there is no delete button, you can add it from the operation. Bring the delete button, delete operation and to the panel group layout, create it as ADF delete button. So this is the same, save it and let's refresh this page. Now commit, rollback, delete, these three buttons appears in the uh, run page. So you can perform the operations here. If you are adding a create insert new record, there is a create insert operation here, but in the page we don't have the create insert operation. So you can add the create insert operation to add the new record, ADF button. So in the property you can change the text to create new caps lock, create new country. So save, let's refresh this page. Create new country is appearing here. So click on this, the new record is appearing. You can add, for example, for Germany, GR, here Germany. Save this record, click on commit. Here already GR primary key is coming because this record is already there in the table. Now PK for Pakistan, commit. Yeah, it is committed now. Let's see whether it is in the database. In the SQL worksheet, here refresh this page, whether our record, yeah, PK Pakistan appears here. We didn't give region ID, so it is showing the null. Like this you can add your buttons to your page. I am showing you so that you can become perfect, because in the previous videos also I show you how to add records and delete records and save records. In this also I am showing so that you will become perfect. And the next thing is, sometimes what happen, these two buttons commit and rollback inactive. When you are giving the create new record, then only it is create new record, then only it is active. Sometimes what will happen, these two buttons are not enabling, it is in the disable mode. So to enable this, what you have to do is go to the application, to enable, yeah, go to the structure, go to the commit button property. Where is the button.jsf page? Here. Yeah, commit, here this is the commit button properties. Go to the behavior. In the behavior you need to disable this, you need to delete it to make the button enable. Just delete it and keep it as a default. So I hope this video is useful. So if anyone wants to join the online classes for learning ADF complete course 12C, I gave my mobile number and email address. You can contact me anytime and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.